United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 22, Sea lanes and traffic separation schemes in the territorial sea. 1. The coastal state may, where necessary having regard to the safety of navigation, require foreign ships exercising the right of innocent passage through its territorial sea to use such sea lanes and traffic separation schemes, as it may designate, or prescribe for the regulation of the passage of ships. 2. In particular, tankers, nuclear-powered ships and ships carrying nuclear, or other inherently dangerous, or noxious substances, or materials may be required to confine their passage to such sea lanes. 3. In the designation of sea lanes and the prescription of traffic separation schemes under this article, the coastal state shall take into account a. The recommendations of the competent international organization, b. Any channels customarily used for international navigation, c. The special characteristics of particular ships and channels, and d. The density of traffic. 4. The coastal state shall clearly indicate such sea lanes and traffic separation schemes on charts, to which due publicity shall be given.